But we do have a really special guest, one of my good friends. What do you want to do? Oh, you want to know? One of my good friends, and okay, there it is.
Yo,
Can you hear me?
barely.
Hang on. Take this out. Can you hear me now?
It's the same thing. It's almost like it's not on speaker or something, but I don't know how to take it on there.
Volume off, volume enhance sound. Can you hear me at all?
I can hear you, but it's just not very loud.
Okay. Well, we're going to make it get by because once you play it back, the audio's there.